Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to delete your Gmail account. So if you want to delete your Gmail account, it's pretty simple, but deleting your Gmail account includes deleting your Google account. So keep that in mind. That means everything for your Google Calendar, Google everything will be deleted. I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. So first things first, once you're on Gmail, you're going to want to click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. That'll show up these options right here, show all the emails you have signed in. And you're going to want to look for the option that says manage your Google account. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it and it'll bring you to myaccount.google.com. You can also just go straight to this page right here. Now, once you're on this page, you're going to want to go and find data and privacy on the sidebar right here. Once you find data and privacy, you can also use the search bar to find it. Search for data and privacy. It will show up here as well. But once you find it, go ahead and click on it. Bring you to this page here. Once you're on data and privacy, you're going to want to scroll down till you see the option for delete your Google account and more options. It should be at the very bottom of the page. Once you find this option here, you're going to want to click on it. It'll load for a bit and it'll ask you to sign into your account. So go ahead and put in your password. And once you put in your password, click next. Once you've put in your password and click next, it's going to load for a bit and it's going to load up this page right here, delete your Google account. Once you're on delete this Google account, you're going to want to read through all of this real quick. And just keep in mind that this is everything that will be deleted. Gmail, YouTube, Calendar, Contacts, Google Play, all of these will be deleted. And what you've done, if you've read through all this and you decide you still want to delete it, you can go ahead and check both of these options right here. It's talking about if you have any pending financial transactions, you'll still be responsible for those charges. So you can just click yes, I acknowledge that. And yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account and all its data. And once you've done that, you just want to click delete account and that will delete your account. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.